Yes, good evening everyone. I told you to go to my YouTube channel. At the comment section, you put what you want to be taught and the concept that you don't understand. I cannot teach a whole topic, but I can take a specific concept that you have issues with and I teach you. Now, something that you need to understand, the current KCSE exam is not like the past, where questions were being repeated. Currently, the questions that are tested requires you to apply knowledge. So, you cannot apply knowledge if you have no content. And that's why I'm advising my colleague teachers to change even the teaching methodology. Teach learners and relate what you're teaching to their environment. If you teach the concept in the textbook the way it is very difficult, it is so abstract, and the learners will not understand it well. So what do? Let me give you an example of testing. Unaweza ulizwa, describe, I will test a pH of a soil sample, of a soil in a garden. So lazima uchukue hiyo mchanga uweke pale kwa test tube maybe, or boiling tube, uweke maji, you stir, and then you filter to obtain the dissolved mineral, the minerals that are in the soil. Then you filter to obtain the filtrate, and then you add universal indicator to the filtrate. Then you compare the color you've seen in the universal indicator when you added it to the filtrate to the pH chart. You'll be able to determine the pH of the sand. You are teaching about structure and bonding. Patia mtoto, sema hii nyumba imetengezwa na mawe. Hizi mawe zimeshikwa na simiti. Hizi simiti zimeshika hizo mawe very strong, hata upepo ikikuja haiwezi angusha. Kuna nyumba nyingine imetengezwa na udongo. Udongo is very weak. Udongo, that is now soil. Let's say between the stones kuna soil, and that is very weak, that a strong wind can put down. So you are relating what you call structure and bonding. Now you want to use, for example, in a metallic structure. So you tell the student, in a metallic structure, that's a metal. Anaweza chukua hata desk kwambia hii metal iko na structure kama hii nyumba, na ndani ya hiyo structure kuna atoms ambaye ni mawe kwa nyumba. Hizi atoms zimeshikwa na simiti. Sasa now you don't talk about cement, you talk about metallic bond. That is now the cement that holds the particles together. And these metallic bonds are very strong. So when you want to melt a metal, the energy required to overcome the metallic bond is very high. Hence, that's why they are very hard metals. The metals are very hard substances. You can also relate that if you go to non-metallic elements, let's say from phosphorus, sulfur, just tell these young men or these girls that these substances that are non-metallic and the compound that they form among themselves, that is non-metallic element and compound formed between two non-metals, apart from silicon oxide. These substances have structure yake imejengwa na molecules. Hiyo ina represent mawe kwa nyumba. Molecule yake imeshikwa na kitu inaitwa van der Waals, which is a very weak force. This force require very little heat to break, and that's why I'm a little energy to break. Unaweza compare sufuria ya chuma na beseni ya plastic. Ukikanyaga sufuria ya chuma haita break. Ukikanyaga beseni itapasuka. Why? Because the structure of beseni imetengezwa na molecules. Na molecules zimeshikwa na weak van der Waals. And weak van der Waals forces, these forces are so weak that require small energy to break. Sufuria ni metallic structure. Within the sufuria we have atoms held together with very strong metallic bond. Then you have to explain to student what simply metallic bond is. You develop your concept from what is a metallic bond, then you come on to metallic structure, then you compare with the house. It's very interesting. But if we teach the concept the same way they in the textbook, we're going to lose the student. This is not the generation has changed. This is not those students who had urge of success. These ones, you have to inspire them to develop that personal responsibility. Thank you.